Hi, so I'm ready. Second day in Scotland. Let's go. Hi guys, I had to stop and I had to stay a little bit here because it started being very windy and it was kind of snowing, so I had to stop. But now it looks like it stopped a little bit. Have a look. And it goes down there. It's not too safe, so I'm not gonna go there. Hi guys! I just met the guy. He was so cool. He told me he's been 4 months doing sea kayaking, and he's living now for a month with a guy that he met randomly, like he met me now, and thanks of him I'm not gonna die, and I'm gonna be starving. He gave me 1,000 of chocolate bars and muesli bars because I was expecting to arrive to a kind of restaurant, but I don't know if it's gonna be open, and he says it's still quite a while to get there. So yeah, he basically saved my life, and I've lost my blue flower, but he gave me this amazing flower. He was carrying 2 and he gave me 1. So nice. And he gave me half of his banana. It's gonna sound weird, but yeah, like fruit, you know, nothing else. My scariest experience in my life. This is all about traveling alone, what you do, and about hike on the mountain, because the weather can change like that. So now is blue sky, well, blue, like clear sky. It's not raining at all, but just 10 minutes ago it was so windy that I had to sit on the floor literally because I was gonna fall if not. And yeah, it started raining super heavy, so it was horrible, and it looked like it was gonna stay like that for hours and hours. So I was trying to make a plan. Okay, what shall I do if I stay here 10, whatever, the whole day? So I had no plan. Thanks God, now it's clear in the sky. I'm trying to move faster because as soon as I get to by the sea, it's a lot safer, because probably at least it will be cars, because there is a road there. So I hope that, and let's see. It's an awesome lake here, as you could see, pointed before. I just splashed my feet in. Yeah, it's quite good actually. It's not so bad, but yeah, it's a beautiful lake there, and I don't know what is the other side. We will see. It's a sea. It's there. Now I need to go down. Hey guys, I made it. Isn't that awesome? This is a really nice spot. It's quite comfortable, and this is priceless. And the sun is coming out. I'm gonna go there to see what is down there. That's the beginning or the end of half of the track that I'm gonna do today. Let's see what is there. Yeah, so basically I'm coming from somewhere at the bottom here, Applecross, and I went all through this one. I saw all those lakes. Here is when it was very windy and I almost died. And now I'm here. My plan is to go there. That village is Kenmore, the one down there. My plan is to go there, arena. I think there's gonna be something. There are like houses, see, 4 or 5, let's see. And from there I'm gonna cross here, and there's another village. I'm gonna go to Quai, and after let's see. Probably I'm not gonna, I don't know what's the time, I need to check. Probably, I don't know, I need to do auto stop, something like that. Let's see. I took the right decision. This is a really cool path through the woods. It says, like the legend, that the kids from the village that I was before to the village that I'm going is 4.5 kilometers far away from each other, and they used to take this path to go to the school every single day. Can't you imagine? This is cool, and it's good because if it starts raining, which I think is gonna start, it's quite strange the way that they made the path, but it's useful. It's lovely. You see? Hi guys! Can you see any path? I cannot see any path. Yes, this blue thing, and this is all muddy and disgusting. I'm trying to go there. I'm pretty sure I'm lost, because that's impossible. That is the way that the kids used to go to the school. I cannot imagine they're getting fucking messy like I am. Yeah, it's not very nice, this path, let's say that, but the road is there, so I'm trying to get there. As soon as I get there, I'm safe because I know how to just follow the road. Yeah, no path, as you can see. So like 5 minutes ago I was at the top of the mountains over there, and the path was exactly like this one, so I didn't know how to come down. It was all fucking muddy, like a maze, horrible. So yeah, I wouldn't suggest to do this to anyone at all. Just take the road and you know, be happy. amazing sunset. And I know I'm safe now, but I wasn't very sure about how I was gonna make it. I walked too much. I've done probably more than 25 kilometers so far. I got lost almost twice. There's no taxis here. Forget about taxis. I called a few with the few sign. I haven't got a signal. So that is a problem as well. Finally, I managed to call the hostel where I'm staying, and they're gonna save my life. They're gonna send a car to give me a lift to Applecross.